Welcome students, we are today here to discuss the question asked for the gravitation for 4 marks. The question reads like this: let a period of the revolution of a planet at a distance r from a star be t. Prove that if it was at a distance 2r from the star, its period of revolution will be root of 8t. So first thing what you have to do in solving the numerical algorithm is to understand the language of the question, what is been asked. What is given or what is asked to you, that plays a crucial role when solving the questions, and that is the basic hurdle or that is the basic problem with you guys, right? So let us highlight first what are you are given. Okay, so let a period of the revolution of a planet at a distance r from the star be t. So what are the initial conditions you are given? First of all, you are given r. What you are also given is time t. So these are the initial conditions you are given, means in your final answer should involve r as well as t, rather t, because you are given that you have to prove this, right? So you have to prove that if it was at a distance 2r from the star, means you have given some another distance. So you have to work it with the formula. Now what important next step in this regard is to choose the correct formula. What is the correct formula? The correct formula would be t square proportional to a cube. Guess what is this? It is Kepler's third law. I am using a short form of this, KTL, Kepler's third law. The square of the period of revolution is directly proportional to cube of its semi-major axis, or simply the distance of the planet from the sun, right? Now we are going to use this for two conditions, initial and the modified condition, or first one and second one. So I am going to write this for first and second condition. So this lets me write this as t1 square proportional to a1 cube and t2 square proportional to a2 cube, right? So if we take the ratio of these two, whatever be the proportionality constant, that would have been cancelled, and we can use it directly while solving the question, right? So let us move on. So I will be getting t1 square upon t2 square is equal to a1 cube upon a2 cube, right? So let us see what are given quantities, right? Now we are given t1 as t, okay, the initial one, t1 as t. Then you are given a1 as r, these are given to you, and a2 as 2r. This everything is given to you that you have to use now in the formula to get the new time period that has been asked to you. So you have to find out t2. Now can we use this in the formula? Okay, so let us label this as equation 1. So putting all this in equation 1, say what will be getting? We will be getting t1 square, so that is t square upon t2 square, so let it be t2 square because that has been to be find out. So this is t2 square is equal to a1 cube, so squaring it, cubing it, r cube upon a2 is 2r, so I am writing first in a bracket and then I am doing the cube of it. Okay, so let's simplify this. So t square upon t2 square is equal to r cube upon, see what you are getting is 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, so I will be getting 8 of r cube. What is the common factor you are getting in the ratio? R cube, so let us cancel out that, and there you are very close to the answer now. You have to find out t2 square. So can I take t2 on the other side? Can I cross multiply it to the left side, t square, and say with this arrangement what do I get? I will be getting t2 square is equal to 8t square. We are now very close now to the answer. The last step that you have to follow is now to take the square root, because it's not t2 square which is been asked to you, which is t2 you have to find out, right? So t2, finally, therefore t2 is equal to, if you take the square root of both sides, since it is an equality, so what you have to do in the left side, you have to work out for the right side also, right? So this is going to be root of 8, and then over there you will be getting only t. So this is root of 8 into t. Now just check out again what again you have to prove. You have to prove that its period of revolution would be root 8t if distance would be 2r. Don't you think we have arrived at the result? So this is what you have to do or prove. So hence prove. So in this way, solving any question, particularly prove that or show that type of the question is very easy because you know at least what you have to do in anticipation. So it is very good question to instead of a numerical for which your answer will be blindfold, right? So for such tricks, practice this type of the questions and best of luck and stay tuned to the CU Academy. Thank you very much.